So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I will talk about one of very important point post getting offer letter. As you know that TCS is giving the result to many of the candidates, and many of the candidates are getting the result for the Ninja, Digital and Prime. First of all, congratulations and best of luck for your journey. Now, before going to the offer letter, you should have some point, okay? Because just getting offer letter is not your, you can say the target. Post that you should be careful, otherwise your joining might be delay or you might means your offer letter might get revoked. So make sure to go this video completely and listen each and every point, because I will discuss some of the very important things which you should note down. So first thing is that is offer letter acceptance. So post getting the means congratulation mails, you will get the offer letter. Remember, if you haven't got the offer letter, no need to worry, you have to be patient. Many of the comments I am getting, okay, and many of our also means those who have taken our mock interview, they are also getting selected, but they are still confused related to offer letter, that I haven't got the offer letter, will I get or not? You will 100% sure get if you got the congratulation mail from the TCS. Okay, so read the offer letter very carefully, go to all the points like the notice period, like the bond is there or not. But in general TCS में bond नहीं होता, but must go through all these steps so that you will be clarity about your package, how much the you are getting in hand, and how much the amount will be deducted to PF. So that's all things you have to go through it. Next, you have to basically upload the document like ID proof, mark sheets and all those. Remember, if you have any confusion, make sure to comment here or contact the TCS support team. They're gonna help you better way. Like some of them might have not have gap certificate or birth certificate. Then at that time you have to basically make as soon as possible. Those who haven't created the passport, you have to apply for the passport, and you can write there in BGC that I have applied for the passport. Post getting that it will be okay. Means अगर आपके पास नहीं है, it's okay, but you should be having class 10th, class 12th mark sheet and BTech mark sheets. Okay, if you are in 8th semester, if you don't have, no need to worry, you have to be patiently wait, because post completion of your degree only you will get the joining letter. So you will have efficient time. It's not what can I say, mandatory to complete all the BGC detail as soon as possible, because before joining you should do all the things. जितना जल्दी आप लोग भाई सब कुछ BGC क्लियर कीजिएगा, देन यू विल गेट ज्वाइनिंग एज सुन एज पॉसिबल, स्पेशली 2024 and 2025 आई एम सेइंग. सो मस्ट upload all those documents and ensure all details are accurate. If you have some discrepancy in Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter card or any documents, then you will face difficulty. So make sure to correct it, either Aadhaar card or PAN card. And I can share one of the experience of my friends. His PAN card means he have some issue in his PAN card related to some name and father name, and that's why his joining got delay. Though he have corrected later, but he was not having idea. So that's the things I am basically sharing all the experience of the candidates too. So just like this video if you are liking our report. We are here with you, not just getting you means scheduling your mock interview or providing coding questions, but post that also we are always here to help you. So we can also connect on LinkedIn or Insta, jahan bhi query you can ask there. So next there will be background check and BGC process, and BGC process of TCS is very hard. Because if you think that I will not provide any employment proof, or and I am doing the job somewhere and I will not provide, then this will not gonna work, because they have very hard checking of this. अगर आपका सब कुछ सही है, you should not worry about that. It will be clear automatically, no need to worry. And if you have some criminal record, you have to do all that things. And duration usually is within 2 to 6 weeks. You have to upload all those documents. Next, some of the BGC tips you should mention that ensure detail match the document, keep original certificate ready and avoid any discrepancy. That's the very important point जो मैंने बोला कि आधार कार्ड या पैन कार्ड कहीं भी आपका डिस्क्रिपेंसी नहीं रहना चाहिए. अगर है, try to update it as soon as possible. Otherwise, you will be in a difficulty. And post getting offer letter also, you will not getting joining. So be careful. So next, post that all the things you will get the joining formalities. You will be access onboarding portal, and you have to upload additional documents. You might have to fill the HR form or NDA signing. That's all the things. Simply you have to basically do the signing and all those. And post getting the joining, you will be eligible for ILP, Initial Learning Program. I have already uploaded a detailed video related to this, that is ILP. ILP होता क्या है? So how can you get it? Just go and search on my YouTube channel Learning with Ram, and search here just ILP Learning with Ram. I have uploaded a detailed, I think more than 10 plus minutes video, Learning with Ram, and you will get our video. Okay, so just a bit, means I think there are some network issue. Yeah, this is the ILP Initial Learning Program, and within 9 days almost 1.2k students have gone through it. So must go through it. ILP होता क्या है, कोडिंग टेस्ट कैसे होता है, सिंपली इसमें आपको ट्रेनिंग दिया जाता है, and you will be getting the idea related to, or you can say, hiring process, and means not hiring process but the technical or the tech stack you are working. Suppose you wanna work on Android, or you wanna work on a full stack or MERN or ML, then all that things, means all those courses you will get in ILP. That is kind of training. Okay, so you will also get soft skill training, and you have to clear the assessment, otherwise you will not get the project. So there are many things post joining too. Okay, so joining letter you will get when after successful BGC, location and reporting detail you will get all those there, that what will be your preferred locations, means they might give you the location according to your preference or according to the business requirement, so you should be ready to that. I think you need, in your interview also you said that I am ready for the relocation. It means that you should be ready for any location. They might give you training in other things. For prime candidates, I think they are giving the training to Kochi, and there will be just 1 week training there, and post that you will be getting your desired location, either Lucknow or Hyderabad or whatever the location you have given. So this is a good thing in context to Cognizant, that TCS is providing the joining at your preferred location only. So that's the good thing. Most of the chance, 90% chance is there. Next, onboarding and joining date. So you have to report to the TCS office. You have to submit the document, whatever the instruction they are mentioning in the email. You have to follow up very carefully and don't miss anything. You have to complete HR formalities like meeting your project manager or other things. Start ILP project, and you will be also getting the joining kit, bow and some POCs, I think a key or other things, bag and laptop. I think post training you will get. Okay, in Cognizant actually during the training only you will get the laptop, but post training I think you will get, or some might get the laptop at that time also. So timeline overview means how much time it will take. So offer acceptance within immediate or within 5 to 10 days or within 1 week you will get. Another means, again I am saying friends, if you haven't got the offer, no need to worry, be patient. You will get for sure if you got the congratulation mail. BGC around take 2 to 6 weeks. It might take 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, even 6 months, depending on you. If you are giving false detail, if you are giving incorrect details and some, you can say, invalid documents, then your joining will be delayed for more than 1 year also. I am telling you honest experience. One of my friends have faced this issue. So that's what I'm saying. So these are all things. Joining you can get within 1 or 2, 3 months. So that depend on the business requirement and all those things. So common delay is what? Pending documents, BGC issue or internal demand. There means there might be some low project demand. So आपको joining delay भी हो सकता है. But अगर आपको offer letter आया, then you will 100 and 200% will get the joining. No need to worry. And that's all things I want to tell. I hope this video informative to you. I try to cover almost every aspect of this, means every aspect of the TCS hiring process. So अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा, make sure to like this, share the video among your friends who have been selected, so that they will get better clarity about this process. कोई भी query है, feel free to ask. I am here to help you. We can connect on LinkedIn or Insta, whatever platform you are comfortable with. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.